Hi everyone, imagine turning simple text into beautiful, ready-to-sell designs in just seconds. Today, I'll show you how to use Recraft AI to create stunning artwork and start earning online, even if you've never designed before. Recraft AI is an innovative AI-powered design tool that helps you create stunning vector art and graphics quickly and easily. It's perfect for beginners and pros alike. While Recraft offers a free plan to get you started, note that the free version doesn't allow commercial use, which means you can't legally use those designs for business or earning purposes. That's why I have the paid plan, which unlocks full commercial rights and gives access to higher quality exports and more advanced features. With a simple interface, you just type what you want, and Recraft instantly generates multiple professional design options like logos, icons, social media graphics, and more. Let me show you how easy it is to create stunning designs with Recraft AI. First, log into your dashboard. This is where all your projects live and you can start new designs. Next, you'll choose the style you want, whether it's clean vector art, eye-catching 3D images, detailed illustrations, or simple flat icons. Each style fits different needs, so pick what matches your project best. Now comes the fun part, writing your prompt. For the best results, keep your prompts clear and descriptive. For example, a simple prompt could be minimalist tech logo with blue tones. If you want more control, try adding style or emotion like vintage style flat icon, warm colors, friendly vibe. Once you generate designs, select your favorite and adjust export settings. You can choose a transparent background if you want to place your design over other images, pick high definition quality for sharpness, and export in SVG or PNG format depending on your use case. This workflow makes it super easy to get professional quality graphics ready for any project, even if you have zero design experience. Now that you've created your designs with Recraft AI, let's talk about how to turn those designs into real profit. There are many popular platforms where you can sell your digital art and designs, like Etsy, Creative Fabrica, Fiverr, and Redbubble. For example, on Redbubble, you can upload your AI-generated graphics to create t-shirt prints, mugs, phone cases, and more. It's a great way to earn passive income with minimal upfront costs. Here's a quick demo. I'm designing a simple t-shirt graphic in Recraft AI, then uploading it directly to Redbubble. Once live, customers from around the world can buy your design printed on various products, and you earn a commission. This approach is perfect for creatives and beginners looking to monetize their AI art quickly and easily. Now, let's go over some quick tips to get the best results with Recraft AI. First, keep your prompts short and descriptive. Simple but clear instructions help the AI understand exactly what you want. Second, don't hesitate to try multiple variations. Experimenting with different prompts can lead to unique and creative designs. Third, always export your designs in vector format whenever possible. This ensures your artwork is scalable and maintains quality at any size. Finally, you can combine your exported designs with tools like Canva for final touches, adding text or other elements to make your design truly stand out. Recraft AI is a game changer for creative entrepreneurs. Start experimenting today, and you might just turn your imagination into your next income stream. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with more tips. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.